Hi, I'm Emmett, and this is a segment I like to call Emmett Makes, where I make whatever I feel like making. Today I'm going to be making cookies and cream ice cream. So let's make ice cream. Ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 16 chocolate sandwich cookies. Pour the milk, the cream, and the sugar into a pot on medium to low heat. What we are essentially doing is just heating up the milk so that the sugar can melt. Keep an eye on it, stir it, only let it simmer, but do not let it boil. Once the sugar is melted, take it off the heat and add the vanilla. Put your ice cream mixture into a container and seal it. Then put it in the refrigerator for 8 hours or until it's completely chilled. Once your ice cream mixture is fully chilled, put it in your ice cream maker and follow the ice cream maker's instructions. Crush your cookies using a mallet or a rolling pin into bite-sized pieces. Once you crush them, don't put them in. We are going to put them in during the last couple of minutes of our mixing. It's been 30 minutes in our ice cream maker and the ice cream looks good, so now we are going to add our cookies for 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, it is soft serve. We like our ice cream a little bit firmer, so we are going to put it in the freezer to harden. Here's the ice cream. We just put it in a little bowl, and now we're going to taste it. And this is special guest, Scarlett from Scarlett Bakes. Oh my god, that's so good. It's so good. It's the best cookies and cream ice cream I've ever had. If you try this recipe, make sure to comment down below and like the video. And please subscribe. See ya! Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.